In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite a page in Microsoft Loop. Here's the key thing to know up front. At the moment, Microsoft Loop doesn't let you favorite or bookmark an individual page or subpage. You can only favorite an entire workspace. That said, there are a few reliable ways to get to your most used content quickly, and I'll walk you through each one so you can choose what works best for you. First, favoriting a workspace is the closest built-in option to a page favorite. Open Loop, and look at the left sidebar where your workspaces are listed. Hover over the workspace you want easy access to, then click the star icon to add it to your favorites. You'll see that workspace appear in the Favorites section of the sidebar, which makes getting back to everything inside it much faster. If you frequently switch between a couple of workspaces, starring both keeps them only one click away. A quick tip: give your workspaces clear names so they're easier to scan in the Favorites list. Next, make use of the Recent section. Loop automatically tracks what you've opened, so your recently visited pages and components show up under Recent in the sidebar. Click Recent to see the list, and then open the item you need. This is especially helpful when you've been bouncing between pages during the day and just want to jump back to what you were working on. If a page isn't showing, simply open it once and it will then appear in Recent, which makes it easier to find the next time. Finally, if there's a page layout you rely on repeatedly, save that page as a template. Open the page, click the More Options button in the top corner, and choose Save as Template. Give it a descriptive name and save it. Later, when you start a new page, you can insert that template from the template gallery, usually under a My Templates section. While this isn't a true favorite, it gives you fast, consistent access to the page structure you use most without having to rebuild it every time. To recap, Loop doesn't let you favorite a single page yet, but you can streamline your workflow by favoriting the entire workspace, relying on the Recent section for quick return access, and saving high-usage pages as templates. Combine these three approaches, and you'll spend less time hunting and more time getting work done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move through Loop with confidence.